had no idea what I wanted to do or could do while raising 5 kids under the age of 12. And that was particularly difficult for me because I had hopped around a lot in my prior career. I had worked in PR before business school, then after business school 6 years in finance, and then the last 2 years in the corporate world I'd moved into recruiting and human resources. So I'm thinking like, oh, where do I go? Which direction do I head in now? So I guess if I had to reflect back on my own experience and extract a lesson from it, I'd say not necessarily to turn down an opportunity that you may perceive as a little bit beneath you if it's in a function or an industry or a company that you really like and that you feel will offer more potential down the road.
I was on maternity leave with my first child when the company went under. So I didn't have the should I go back, shouldn't I go back to work decision to make. There was no company to return to. But I did have to decide that I wasn't going to go looking for the next big job. My husband and I weren't getting any younger. We wanted to have more kids. We ended up having 3 more kids over the next 5 years. So I was caught up in that whole cycle of pregnancy and nursing and didn't really feel like I was recruiting material during that time. Let me give you an example of a relauncher who went back to school to show that the benefits go beyond what's in the classroom. While she was on campus, she noticed companies were coming in to interview the traditional age students for internships. So she thought, well, she's not traditional age, but she's going to go in and interview for one. So she interviewed with the North Shore University Health System. They didn't offer her an internship. They offered her a permanent position because they were so impressed with her background and the drive she exhibited by updating herself. So the point here is that the benefits of being back on campus only begin with what's going on in the classroom. That updating for sure is a key piece, but you're meeting your professor, you're meeting your classmates. By virtue of your student status, you have the opportunity to participate in career fairs, career services, or maybe even interview for internships. So that's why being back on campus is such a great thing.